an online business isn't hard, but being overwhelmed makes it hard. Be honest, does it sometimes feel like you're working so hard, but it actually feels like nothing is working? I need to retire soon, but my pension fund isn't sufficient, and I need to find a way that I'm able to improve my pension fund. So I was looking around, I was drowning in information, watching videos and searching the internet. Eventually, I found this program. It's a beginner-friendly program, and it shows you step by step what to do. Once I took that first step and started, everything seemed to fall into place. I had more clarity. If someone gave you that kind of clarity, would you feel less overwhelmed? Because when overwhelm drops, progress starts. You start knowing what to do. You start seeing results and you start believing, wait, I can do this. Can you imagine what that would be like for you? If you would like to start an online business with the same simplicity and clarity, WhatsApp me ready and I'll show you exactly where you need to begin.